Mmm. My carrot. That's the finishing of my carrot drink with my sweet potato, Irish potato, um, curry fowl, as known as curry chicken. My little salad to the side, and my wheat dumpling. Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna have me a feast. If you want some, man, just inbox me. It's alright. It's okay. I feel like sharing this time, and every time I feel like being stingy. Sometimes you eat a special food and you just feel like being stingy. I'm not a stingy person still, but sometimes you just feel like being stingy. I'm not stingy with food. But yeah, you can get some this time. Alright. Catch you later. Just smile, even if you don't feel like it. Smile and have a blessed evening.